शेयर करने जा रही हूँ एक वन ब्रांड मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल एंड वो होने जा रही है आप सभी लोगों की पहचानी जान पहचानी ब्रांड वन एंड ओनली स्विस ब्यूटी के साथ। तो जैसे कि सभी लोग जानते हो कि विदाउट प्राइमर और फिक्सर एक परफेक्ट मेकअप लुक को क्रिएट करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है, लेकिन फिर भी मैंने बहुत ही मुश्किल से ओनली 5 प्रोडक्ट से इस मेकअप लुक को क्रिएट की ताकि आप सभी लोग अफोर्ड कर सको और बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ बाय स्विस ब्यूटी। एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी अ विदाउट फाउंडेशन मेकअप लुक. So let's quickly check out the video how I have created this makeup look. So now first I am going to use the Swiss Beauty concealer. This is my most favorite concealer from Swiss Beauty, and this is a liquid concealer which helps you most to hide your pigmentation and dark circles very nicely and gently. I have applied it on my pigmented areas and blending with a beauty blender. You can also hide your pigmented areas or dark spots by this concealer. It will be very helpful for this. You can see the coverage of this concealer on my face. So now I am going to use the Swiss Beauty Airbrush Finish Compact for covering my full face. I do not have wear any foundation in this makeup because as I know and you all know that everyone do not like to use foundation for every makeup look, and I am doing here simple party makeup look, so I do not have used any foundation in this makeup. And you can see the covering power of this powder on my face. This is very amazing compact. You can definitely try it, and yes, you will love it. I just love it. As you can see, ये कॉम्पैक्ट मेरी फुल फेस को बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से कवर अप कर ली. And next I am going to use the Swiss Beauty eyebrow kit for doing my eyebrow and eye makeup. So first I am giving the shape of my brows by this pulley. This is a very good pigmented eyebrow kit. You can obviously use it. So this product is a 2-in-1 product. You can get the eyebrow powder and the gel eyeliner on this kit, so you can use it for two work. As you can see here, I am using the eyebrow powder for doing my eyebrows, for filling up my thin eyebrows, and you can see the difference. Wow, just amazing. And I am going to do the same thing for my second eyebrow. And now I am going to use the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and this is a very gorgeous eyeshadow palette by Swiss Beauty. I am doing my eyeshadows with this palette now, and I am going to do the black smoky eyes with this palette. So first I covered my full eyelid with a very light color, and next I am using the light brown color for cutting my crease areas, and I am going to blend it very well. And next I am going to use the deep brown color, and I am going to blend it very gently with the light color for giving the smokiness on my eyes. And now I am going to take the flat brush for taking the black color from this palette for giving the real black shade on my eyelid. As you can see, I am applying the black color on my full eyelid. And I am going to blend the color on my lid very gently, because blending is the main key of doing anything perfect on your makeup. If it's foundation, if it's eyeshadow or anything else. And now I am applying the deep brown color on my lower eyelid. And now I am going to take a small brush for applying the highlighter on my inner corners of eyes. Applying some highlight colors on your inner corner of eyes, it will give more dashing look on your eyes always. So keep it on your mind. And now I am going to apply the eyeliner of the Swiss Beauty gel eyeliner. And this eyeliner is a very good choice for eyeliner lovers, and you can definitely go for it. Okay, so now I am ready with the eyeliner, and I am going to use the lipstick, and I have two colors on my hand, and I am going to use these two colors by mix matching on my lips. This too is very gorgeous shade, and I'll mention the number of this shade on my description. So now I am going to contour my nose by using this eyeshadow palette. So you can also use it for contouring. And I am going to use the compact again for highlighting my nose and forehead areas. And I am going to take also a highlighting shade for highlighting my cheekbones, brow bones, nose and T-zones. So you can also try this trick. So as you can see, I am going to finish my look. And how am I looking in this makeup look? Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this makeup tutorial video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for next updates.